Hello there! For those who see me for the first time, my name is Sarah. I'm a database designer and a web developer. Today is the day 24 of 30-day challenge of talking to the camera. Today is the day 24 of 30-day challenge of talking to the camera. So this is the first video of the last week, which is awesome. In this video I would like to talk about some technical things about my servers and stuff like that. It is going to serve mainly as my point of reference in time, where I was, where I am, and stuff like that. In case you are watching this on YouTube, you can find the rest of the videos on my PeerTube channel or on my website. Links to both are in the description below. At the moment I rent my free servers at Hetzner. I know, they haven't been nice to queer people that much, but I didn't have time, energy and spoons to migrate somewhere else. If I had the energy and spoons to migrate somewhere else, I would start with my email, which is at Proton right now. I was wanting to migrate it last fall because I did not agree with their stance on things like cryptocurrencies. I will not call that stuff crypto because crypto is cryptography. And that's it for me. And after the election in the United States, it makes sense to move from Proton, but I'm not doing it right now. Basically, at the moment, my rule of thumb is do what you can with the spoons that you have. And I don't have spoons to migrate off Hetzner right now. And I would have to also research the alternatives, which I have not done yet. But this video is about lessons learned. More or less, my infrastructure runs on CX11 plan, which is no longer offered. Basically, it's 2 GB of RAM and 20 GB of storage. For a blog, that's more than enough, and I'll keep using that for a blog until it's time to move my blog to another data center. Probably to Germany. At the moment, it's based in Finland. But for PeerTube, that is not enough. Because it's not enough, I had to add about 80 GB of storage. One thing that surprised me with Hetzner is that the storage doesn't have a backup option. So I'm taking a risk at the moment. And I'm not exactly comfortable with that. But as I said, I don't have spoons to move that server somewhere else at the moment. And after seeing how long the coding video yesterday took to transcode, I am thinking about switching to a bit more powerful machine. Not immediately though, because moving from one server to another and taking my whole instance with it won't be as simple as pressing a button. I looked into it, I tried once, and I failed badly. So I will do it some other time, probably when I find like a half day of nothing to do in April. So for the time being I have enough space and have backups of the videos on my external hard drive. That's about the PeerTube server. Let's move on to the blog that I have. Quite frankly, my blog needs an overhaul. So far it has allowed me to do a lot of cool things with CSS, SVGs and data visualizations, but with my video experiments, I need to rethink it, especially how the blog functions as a whole. It's cool and exciting and also a bit painful, because I will need to level up a bit. The reason why I need to level up is because my blog is basically a headless CMS and static site generator combined in one. So I will need to rewrite the templating engine and everything around that. And I haven't touched compilers in quite a bit, so I will need to relearn everything that I forgot already. Anyway, I don't think there is a third thing that I need to mention right now, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!